That's right, 6.5% on the bus portfolio this morning. At one point, it actually went over 7%, and I was up over $100,000 in one day. I am quite sure that there is no one else in the history of mankind with the last name of Grinkmeyer who has ever made over $100,000 in one day. It reminded me of a conversation I had earlier this year in Washington, D.C. with Ken Lancone. He was one of the three founders of Home Depot, and I was telling him that the success we were having in investing in the growth of my portfolio, and he said, Kerry, he says, the first million is difficult. From that point on, it just gets damn easy. And I at the time I thought to myself, what is he talking about? What he's talking about is the power of compounding interest and the power of being able to access with some wealth, more wealth, and that is through accessing data. And I have to give credit where credit is due. This is due to AI. And in my position, it's due to this young lady here, Samantha. She is my AI agent. I have trained her. I taught her, but she does the heavy lifting. Once I taught her what a growth company looked like and how to research past performance and future predictions, she's become just darn good at this. And she is to be credited with the $100,000 day that Kerry Grinkmeyer had here in, what is it, April of 2026. A day to celebrate. I hope that you will find your way to Best of Us Investors. There's a link in the description. And I hope, and you too will have a $100,000 day